First off, a huge thank you to the branding team for very kindly sending over to me this wonderful blackhead removing device to help me tackle some of my trouble spots that I have. I'm a middle-aged person with sort of dry skin, menopausal skin, hormonal skin, and I've noticed as I'm getting older, I'm getting some trouble spots. Specifically, things like around my nose is getting quite difficult to manage. On the bridge of my nose, to my chin and some of my cheeks, I'm starting to get breakouts for the first time since I was a teen. So they very kindly reached out to me to send to me the blackhead removing device, which is absolutely beautiful. It sits in a really nice charging cradle, so you can use it wirelessly. It also comes with replaceable suction heads as well for cleanliness. Before you begin, you cleanse your skin with a hot compress, and this helps to open up the pores to give you the best results. So there we go. And now I'm going to use the device on my skin. I'm just going to start off with the lowest setting first for my particularly stubborn areas. And as you can see, it has been removing the contents. That just puts another cool compress on my face just to close those pores up again. I'm going to moisturise. What a lovely experience. I feel very glowy, very soft, and I feel like the oils have definitely been lifted from around my trouble spots and across my chin. Thank you so much again to the branding team for very kindly sending this out for me to try. It's absolutely awesome, really powerful, really impressive, and really nice to look at.